Here we have a SAT math question on triangles. Okay, let's go over the question. A summer camp counselor wants to find a length x in feet across a lake as represented in the sketch above. The lengths represented by AB, EB, BD and CD on the sketch were determined to be 1800 feet, 1600 feet, 700 feet and 800 feet. So there is a length of AB is 1800 feet. Okay, let me mark it. And the length of EB is 1400 feet. And the length of BD is 700 feet. And the length of CD is 800 feet. Okay, segments AC and DE intersect at B and angle measure AEB, that is AEB, and angle measure CDB have the same measure, that is the angle measure over here and the angle measure over here are equal. So we have to find the value of x. And also one more thing I can notice over here, the angle measure over here and the angle measure over here are equal because these two are vertically opposite angles. Okay, here the two angle measures in the triangle on the left side over here, that is this angle measure and this angle measure, are equal to the two angle measures in the triangle on the right side. So by angle similarity postulate, the two triangles are similar. Okay, now let me write the vertices. Okay, first I am taking the vertex D in the triangle on the left side. So what is the corresponding vertex in the triangle on the right side? That is D, because angle measure at E, angle measure at D are equal. So now I am taking the vertex B in the triangle on the left side. The corresponding vertex, the triangle on the right side is also the same B, because the angle measure over here, angle measure over here are equal. Now I am taking the third vertex, that is A in the triangle on the left side, and the third vertex in the triangle on the right side is C. So these two triangles are similar. Okay, since the two triangles are similar, the ratios of the corresponding sides must be equal. That is, the corresponding sides must be proportional. Okay, our aim is to find the value of x which represents the length of the side EA. So I am taking the side EA in this triangle. So the side EA is covered by the first letter and third letter over here. So for EA, what is the corresponding side in this triangle? So that is given by the side DC. So because EA is covered by the first letter and third letter over here, so the corresponding side in the second triangle will be covered by the first letter, third letter. So that is side DC. So this is a ratio between one pair of corresponding sides between these two similar triangles. Okay, now we have to get one more ratio between another pair of corresponding sides. Okay, for that I am taking the side EB in the triangle on the left side. So let me write EB. So the side EB is covered by the first letter and the second letter over here. So what is the corresponding side for EB in this triangle? So it will be covered by the first letter and second letter, because EB is covered by the first letter and second letter. To get the corresponding side, so I have to consider the letters at the same position in the second triangle over here. So DB is the corresponding side for the side EB. Okay, now we can plug in values for the lengths. For EA, we know the length, it's x. For DC, we know the length 800. It's over here. And for EB, we know the length 1400. And for DB, we know the length 700. Okay, now we have to solve for x in this equation. So 700 goes into 700 one time, 700 goes into 1400 two times. So we have x over 800 equals to 2. So okay, to solve for x, we have to multiply both sides by 800 to get of the denominator over here. So this 800 will cancel out. I get x equals to 2 times 800 is 1600. I got the value of x, that is 1600.